Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. A spider! Hi, Peck Peck the Woodpecker. Did you hear what fell? Apples! Apples are fruit. Did you hear that sound? What's that? It's Hop Hop the owl, riding a motorcycle. Hi, Hop Hop. The birds will collect fruit. Let's go. Stop, birds! This is a pineapple. A pineapple is also fruit. Let's put it in the motorcycle. Oh, a butterfly! A butterfly is sitting on a pear. It flew away. Peck Peck, do you want to catch the butterfly? It flew away again. Oh! Hop Hop gathered so much fruit. The fruit needs to be washed. This is a pool with water. Warm water. Hop Hop, throw the fruit into the water. Pineapple. Apples. Pear. Banana. Orange. Melon. Grapefruit. Lime. Kiwi. Ah, a net. The net can be used to take the fruit out of the water. A clean orange. A clean banana. A clean pear. A big, heavy, clean pineapple. Lime, apples, kiwi, and grapefruit. A clean, heavy melon. Peck Peck, help! The birds washed all the fruit. Now they can be eaten. Fruit is very useful. And tasty.